yourself.
Yo, I'm living in this time behind enemy lines, so I got mine, I hope ya
got yourself.
You from the hood, I hope ya
got yourself.
You want beef, hope ya
got yourself.
And when I see you, I'ma take what I want, so you try to front, hope ya
got yourself.
You ain't real, hope ya
got yourself.
My first album had no famous guest appearances. The outcome, I'm crowned the best lyricist. Many years on this professional level. What would you question who's better? The world is still mine. Tattoos real with Godson across the belly. The boss of rap. You saw me in with thoughts like that. To take it back to Africa, I did it with Biggie. Me and Tupac were soldiers of the same struggle. You lames can huddle, your team shook. Y'all feel the wrath of a cause this is my football field. Throwing passes from a shoulder pads apparel. But the QB don't stand for no quarterback. Every word is like a cause y'all all soft and I'm the black hearse that came to haul y'all in. This for the hood by the corner store. Many try, many come at nines if you wanna war. Get it. I got mine, I hope ya
got yourself.
You from the hood, I hope ya
got yourself.
You want beef, hope ya
got yourself.
And when I see you, I'ma take what I want, so you try to front, hope ya
got yourself.
You ain't real, hope ya
got yourself.
Yo, I'm the N, the A to the S-I-R. And if I wasn't, I must have been Escobar. You know the kid got his chip too fixed. Hair parted with a barber's preciseness. Brave-hearted for life is return of the golden child. Son of a blues player. So who are you, player? Y'all waited the true saviors. That cups of that vodka too, poppy juice, toe up. Wake up in the hospital, throw up, never. Remember, I do this through righteous steps. You Judas thought I was gone, so in light of my death, y'all been all happy-go-lucky. Bunch of Sam, call me Godson. With my pants low, I don't die slow. Put them rags up like P.D. Pablo. This is NASDAQ dough in my NASCAR with this Nas flow. What could beat that? Not a soul reppin'. Hit the record store, never let me go. Get my whole collection, yeah. I got mine, I hope ya
got yourself.
You from the hood, I hope ya
got yourself.
You want beef, hope ya
got yourself.
And when I see you, I'ma take what I want, so you try to front, hope ya
got yourself.
You ain't real, hope ya
got yourself.
It's the return of the Prince, the boss. This is real hardcore, kid rockin' Limp Biscuits off. Sip crisp, get chips, risk bliss, I floss. Stick shift, look sick up in that box, the Porsche with the top cut off. Rich kids go and cop the sauce. They don't know about the blocks I'm on. And everybody wanna know where the kid go, where he rest at, where he shop at and dress at. Know he got dough, where does he live? Is he still in the bridge? Does he really know how ill it he is? Got all of y'all watching my moves, watching my jewels. Hop in my coupe, dodge interviews like that. It's not only my jewels, ice anything, plenty chains. Look at my tennis shoes, I ice that. Who am I? The back twister, lingerie ripper, automatic leg. Quick up, get her, keep it a gangster with ya. I got mine, I hope ya
got yourself.
You from the hood, I hope ya
got yourself.
You want beef, hope ya
got yourself.
And when I see you, I'ma take what I want, so you try to front, hope ya
got yourself.
You ain't real, hope ya
got yourself. Got yourself.
I got mine, I hope ya
got yourself.
You from the hood, I hope ya Life, I wonder, will it take me under? I don't know. Imagine smoking weed in the street without cops harassing. Imagine going to court with no trial. Lifestyle cruising blue Bahama waters. No welfare supporters. More conscious of the way we raise our daughters. Days are shorter, nights are colder. Feeling like life is over. These snakes strike like a cobra. The world's hot, my son got knocked. Evidently, it's elementary. They want us all gone eventually. Trooping out of state for a plate. Knowledge, if it was cooked without the garbage, we'd all have the top dollars. Imagine everybody flashing. Fashion, designer clothes. Lacing your click up with diamond rolls. Your people's holding dough, no parole, no rubbers. Going raw, imagine law with no undercovers. Just some thoughts for the mind. I take a glimpse into time, watch the blimp read the world is mine.
If I rule the world,
imagine that.
I free all my sons. I love them, baby. Black diamonds and pearls.
Could it be, if you could be mine, we both shine.
If I rule the world,
still living for today, any these last days of time. Yo, it'll be paradise life relaxing. Black, Latino, and Anglo-Saxon. Amani exchange the range. Cash, lost tribe of Shabazz. Free at last, brand new whips to crash. Then we laugh in the illa path. The villa houses for the crew, how we do. Trees for breakfast. Dime sexes have been stretches. So many years of depression make me vision the better living. Type of place to raise kids in. Opening eyes to the lies. History's told foul, but I'm as wise as the old owl. Plus the gold child, seeing things like I was controlling. Click rolling, tricking 6 digits on kicks and still holding. Trips to Paris, I civilized every savage. Give me one shot, I turn tripe life to lavish. Political prisoner, set free, stress free. No work release, purple M3s and jet skis. Feel the wind breeze in West Indies. I lick Coretta Scott King, mayor of the cities, and reverse fiends to Willies. It sound foul, but every girl I meet to go downtown. I'd open every cell in Attica, send them to Africa.
If I ruled the world,
imagine that.
I'd free all my sons. I love them, baby. Black diamonds and pearls.
Could it be, if you could be mine, we both shine.
If I ruled the world,
Still living for today, in these last days of
we'll
times.
walk right up to the sun, hand in hand. We'll walk right up to the sun. We won't land. We'll walk right up to the sun, hand in hand. We'll walk right up to the sun. We won't land.
You love to hear the story, how the thugs live and worry. Duck down in car seats, heat's mandatory. Running from Jake, getting chased, hunger for papes. These are the breaks, many mistakes go down out of state. Wait, I had to let it marinate. We carry weight, trying to get laced. Flip the A, stack the safe. Millionaire plan to keep the gap with the cock hammer. Making moves in Atlanta, back and forth scrambler. Cause you can have all the chips. Be poor or rich, still nobody want a brother having If I ruled the world and everything in it, sky's the limit. I push the Q45 Infinite. It wouldn't be no such thing as jealousies or beef felony. Strictly living longevity to the destiny I thought I'd never see, but reality struck. Better find out before your time's out. What the
If I ruled the world,
imagine that.
I'd free all my sons. I love them, baby. Black diamonds and pearls.
Could it be, if you could be mine, we both shine.
If I ruled the world,
Still living for today, in these last days of time.
if I ruled the world, I'd free all my sons. I love them, baby. Black diamonds and pearls. If I ruled the world, if I ruled the world,
Get down.
I know I can be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. Be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be.
Boys and girls, listen up. You can be anything in the world, and God we trust. An architect, doctor, maybe an actress, but nothing comes easy. It takes much practice. Like I met a woman who's becoming a star. She was very beautiful, leaving people in awe. Singing songs, Lena Horne, but the younger version hung with the wrong person. Got her strung on that. Sniffing up drugs, all in the nose. Could've died so young, now looks ugly and old. No fun, cause now when she reaches for hugs, people hold their breath, cause she smells of corrosion and death. Watch the company you keep and the crowd you bring, cause they came to do drugs and you came to sing. So if you're gonna be the best, I'ma tell you how. Put your hand in the air and take the vow. I know I can
I know I can
be what I wanna be.
be what I wanna be.
If I work hard at it,
If I work hard at it,
I'll be where I wanna be.
I'll be where I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. Be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be.
Boys and girls, listen again. This is for grown-looking girls who's only 10. The ones who watch videos and do what they see. As cute as can be, up in the club with fake ID. careful, for you meet a man with HIV. You can host a TV like Oprah Winfrey. Whatever you decide, be careful, some men be rapists, so act your age, don't pretend to be older than you are. Give yourself time to grow. You're thinking he can give you wealth, but so young boys, you can use a lot of help, you know. You're thinking life's all about smoking and ice. You don't wanna be my age and can't read and write, begging different women for a place to sleep at night. Smart boys turn them in and do whatever they wish. If you believe you can achieve, then say it like this: I know I can.
I know I can
Be what I wanna be.
be what I wanna be.
If I work hard at it,
If I work hard at it,
I'll be where I wanna be.
I'll be where I
Now,
wanna be.
go.
I know I can. I know I can be what I wanna be. Be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, if I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be.
Before we came to this country, we were kings and queens, never porch monkeys. There was empires in Africa called Kush, Timbuktu, where every race came to get books to learn from black teachers who taught Greeks and Romans, Asian Arabs, and gave them gold. When gold was converted to money, it all changed. Money then became empowerment for Europeans. The Persian military invaded. They heard about the gold, the teachings, and everything sacred. Africa was almost robbed naked. Slavery was money, so they began making slave ships. Egypt was the place that Alexander the Great went. He wasn't shocked at the mountains with black faces, shot up their nose to impose what basically still goes on today. You see, if the truth is told, the youth can grow. They'll learn to survive until they gain control. Nobody says you have to be gangsters. Read more, learn more, change the globe. Ghetto children, do your thing. Hold your head up, little man, you're a king. Young princess, when you get your wedding ring, your man is saying, she's my queen. I know I can
I know I can
be what I wanna be.
be what I wanna be.
If I work hard at it,
If I work hard at it,
I'll be where I wanna be.
I'll be where I wanna be. I know I can. I know I can be what I wanna be. Be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, if I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be.
Save the music, y'all. Save the music, y'all. Save the music, y'all. Save the music, y'all. Save the music. Primo. Nas. Yeah.
Yo, Nas, you ready?
Ready when you are, Pring.
Alright.
Freedom of jail, clips inserted. A baby's being born, same time a man is murdered. The beginning and end. As far as rap go, it's only natural. I explain my plateau and also what defines my name. First it was nasty, but times have changed. Ask me now, I'm the artist, but hardcore, my signs for pain. I spent time in the game, kept my mind on fame. Saw fiends shoot up and do lines of saw my close friend shot, flatline in my sane. That depends, carry Mac 10s to practice my aim. On rooftops, tape CD covers the trees. Line a barrel up with your weak picture and squeeze. Street scriptures for lost souls in the crossroads. To the corner thugs hustling for cars that cost dough. To the big dogs living large, taking it light. Pushing big toys, getting nice, join your life is what you make it. Suicide, few tried to take it. Belt tied around their neck in jail cells naked. Heaven and hell, rap legend, presence is felt. And of course, NAS are the letters that spell.
Nas is like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nas is like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nas is like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nas is like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Nas is like
Earth, wind, and fire, rims and tires, bulletproof glass inside is the realest driver. Planets in orbit, line them up with the stars. Tarot cards, you can see the Pharaoh Nas.
Nas is like
Iron Mike, Messiah type. Before the Christ, after the death, the last one left. Let my cash invest in stock. Came a long way from blasting. Text on blocks, went from Seiko to Rolex. Owning acres from the projects with no chips to large cake though. Dimes giving. See at day zeros, bet my nine spit for the pesos. But what's it all worth? Can't take you with you under this earth. Rich men died and tried, but none of it worked. They just rob your grave. I'd rather be alive and paid before my numbers call. History's made. Some will fall, but I rise, thug or die. Making choices that determine my future under the sky. To rob, steal, or kill, I'm wondering why. It's a dirty game. Is any man worthy of fame? Much success to you, even if you wish me the opposite. Sooner or later, we'll all see who the prophet is.
Nas is like life or death. My rap, my poetry's deep, I never felt. Nas is like half man, half amazing.
next to a nympho, but nothing sweet. I'm like beef busting through your windows. I'm like a street sweeper, reaper, like Greeks in Egypt, learning something deep from their teachers. I'm like crime, like your man you would die for, always got you. I'm like Pop Duke, you would cry for. I'm like a whole lot of loot. I'm like Chris Money, corporate accounts from a rich company. I'm like ecstasy for ladies. I'm like all races combined in one man, like the 99 Summer Jam. Bulletproof, I'm a man. I'm like being locked down around new faces, and none of them fan. I'm the feeling of a millionaire spending 100 grand. I'm a poor man's dream, a thug poet. Live it and I write it down, then I watch it blow up. Y'all know what I'm like. Y'all play it in your system every night now.
Not like life or death, I'm a rebel. My poetry's deep, I never felt. Not like half man, half amazing. No doubt. Not like life or death, I'm a rebel. My poetry's deep, I never felt. Not like man, half amazing. No doubt. Not like
Street dreams are made up these. Niggas push beamers at 300 E's. A drug dealer's destiny is reaching the key. Everybody's looking for something. Street dreams are made up these. Shorties on their knees for niggas with big G's. Who am I to disagree? Everybody's looking for something.
My man put me up for the share, 1/4 of a square, headed for Delaware with one change of gear. Nothing on my mind but the dime sack we blaze, with the glaze in my eye that we find when we crave dollars and cents. A fugitive with 2 attempts, Jake's had no trace of the face, now they drew a print. Though I'm innocent to proving guilty, I'ma try to get filthy, purchase a club and start up a realty. For real G, I'ma fulfill my dream. If I conceal my scheme, then precisely I build my cream. The first trip without the click, sent the bitch with the quarter brick, this is it. Fresh face, NY place, got a crooked eye for the jakes. I want it all, armor on bins and endless papes. God's sake, what a nigga gotta do to make a $500,000 without the FBI catching feelings?
Street dreams are made up these. Niggas push beamers at 300 E's. A drug dealer's destiny is reaching the key. Everybody's looking for something. Street dreams are made up these. Shorties on their knees for niggas with big G's. Who am I to disagree? Everybody's looking for something.
From Fat Cat to Pappy, niggas see the cat, 25 to flat, push 1,000 feet back. Holding cats wasn't making me fat. Snitches on my back, living with moms, getting it on, flushing crack down the toilet. 2 sips from being alcoholic, 999,000 from being rich, but now I'm all for it. My man saw it like Dionne Warwick. A wiser team for a wiser dream we could all score with. The cartel, Argentina, coke with the Nina. Up in the hotel, smoking on Sesamina. Trina got the fish scale between her. The way the bitch shook her ass, showed the dogs never seen her. She got me back living sweeter. Fresh Caesar, guess David Robinson's, Wally Moccasins. Bitches blow me while I'm hopping in the drop top of him. Word is born, son, I had that bitch down on my shit like this.
Street dreams are made up these. Niggas push beamers at 300 E's. A drug dealer's destiny is reaching the key. Everybody's looking for something. Street dreams are made up these. Shorties on their knees for niggas with big G's. Who am I to disagree? Everybody's looking for something.
Growing up, project struck, looking for luck, dreaming, scoping at large niggas beaming. Check what I'm seeing, cars, ghetto stars, pushing ill Europeans. G'ing, heard about them old timers ODing. Young, early 80s, throwing rocks at the crazy lady. Worshipping every word them rope rockin' niggas gave me. The street raised me up, giving a fuck. I thought Jordans and the gold chain was living it up. I knew the dopes, the pushers, the addicts, everybody. Cut out of class just to smoke blunts and drink naughty. Ain't that funny? Getting put on the crack money with all the gunplay, painting the kettle black hungry. A case of beers in the staircase, I wasted years. Some niggas went for theirs, flipping coke as they career. But I'm a rebel stressing to pull out of the heat, no doubt. With Jeeps trending out, spinning, never holding out.
Street dreams are made up these. Niggas push beamers at 300 E's. A drug dealer's destiny is reaching the key. Everybody's looking for something. Street dreams are made up these. Shorties on their knees for niggas with big G's. Who am I to disagree? Everybody's looking for something. Street dreams are made up these. Niggas push beamers at 300 E's. A drug dealer's destiny is reaching the key. Everybody's looking for something.
in the motherland. Now I'm misplaced, one hand to another hand. Illegal smuggling, people struggling. Wish they could just throw me back in the mud again. Yeah, guess that's how we got here. Slave trade, then a diamond trade. Every child's afraid when his mother and father get sprayed. Forced in the army, young killer brigade. Gets a new name, then he give his nose glue. Till his mind can't take what he's going through. Looking in that dirt for that ice so blue. Then the royal family the ice goes to. And this thing has to change. Feeling half ashamed as I rap with my platinum chain. When you shop for a gift for me, you think about the misery. The same way we made apartheid history. We could do the same thing to the conflict ice. But everybody wanna shine, right? Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. They wanna shine on it, 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 shine on it. My VVS glimmers on my chest, 200,000 crusted watch on my wrist. I wonder how people starve to death when God bless the land that lacks the harvest. The stones of quality, but they homes of poverty. And the whole world ignores the robbery. Bought my girl pretty rocks when she mad at me. Teardrop shape, perfect clarity. In shock, so many are killed annually. Cause of greed, lust, and pure vanity. Stop talking and do something about it. Every holiday season, jewelry stores crowded. Kids snatched from their homes, mutilated alive. Husbands separated from wives. Keep a Jesus peace to be fly. But back in the day, there was a time when they called us shine. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. They wanna shine on it, 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 shine on it. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. They wanna shine on it, 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 shine on it. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. Everybody wants heaven, but nobody wants dead. Everybody wants diamonds without the bloodshed. They wanna shine on it, 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 shine on it. Fake thug, no love, you get the slug. CB4 gusto, your luck low. I didn't know till I was drunk though. You freak niggas played out, get fucked and ate out. Prostitute turned bitch, I got the gauge out. 96 ways I made out. Montana way, the good FELLA. Verbal AK spray, dip detach you. Jump out the range, empty out the ashtray. A glass of Zay, making mad Cassius Clay. Red dot plots, murder schemes, 32 shotguns. Regulate with my thuns, 17 rocks gleam for one ring. They let me let y'all niggas know one thing. There's one life, one love, so there can only be one king. The highlights of living, Vegas style, roll dice and linen. And terror spinning on millenniums. 20 G bets, I'm winning them. Threats, I'm sending them. Lex with TV sets the minimum. Ill sex, adrenaline, party with villains. A case of demisec to chase the Henny, where any click. With the semi-tech who want it, diamonds I flaunt it. Chicken heads flock, I lace them. Fried broil with basil, taste them. Crack their legs way out of formation. It's horizontal how I have them. Fucking me in the Benz wagon. Can it be vanity from Last Dragon? Grab your gun, it's on though. Shit is grimy. Real niggas bucking broad daylight. With the broke Mac, it won't spray right. Don't give a fuck who they hit, as long as the drama's lit. Yo, overnight thugs bug, cause they ain't promise shit. Hungry ass hooligans, stay on that piranha shit. I was in the Jeep, sunk in the seat, tinted with heat, beats bumping. Across the street you was wildin', talking about how you ran to Allen in 89. Laying up, playing the yard with crazy shine. I cocked the baby 9, that nigga gravy mine, clinked with was he thinking on my corner when it's baby time? Dug him, you owe me cousin, something told me plug him. So he come, felt my leg burn, then it got numb. Spun around and shot one, heard shots and drops, son, caught a hot one. Somebody take this biscuit before the cops come. Then they came asking me my name, what the fuck? I got stitched up and went through, left the hospital that same night, what? Got my gat back, time to backtrack. I had to drop, so how the fuck I get clapped? Black was in the Jeep watching, all he seen speed by was a brown Datsun. And yo, nobody in my hood got one. That clown niggas through, blazing at his crew daily. The bridge touched me up severely, hear me? So when I rhyme, it's sincerely yours. Be lighting L, sipping cores on all floors of project halls. Contemplating war, niggas I was cool with before. We used to score together uptown, copping the raw. But a thug changes, and love changes, and best friends become strangers. Word up.
Y'all know my stilo. There ain't an army that can strike back. Y'all know my stilo. There ain't an army that can strike back. Y'all know my stilo. There ain't an army that can strike back. Y'all know my stilo. There ain't an army that can strike back.
Yo, to them thug niggas getting it on in the world, you know? To them niggas that's locked down, doing they thing, surviving, you know what I'm saying? To my thorough niggas, New York and worldwide, yo. To the Queensbridge militia, 9-6 shit. The firm click, Illmatic nigga, it was written though. It's been a long time coming. Y'all fake niggas trying to copy, better come with the real though. Fake ass niggas, yo.
You throwing them back. What?
Bringing shit, man, live, man. 9-6 shit.
Here we are. Here we are. Yeah. This one right here is for the people.
Some of the smartest dummies can't read the language of Egyptian mummies on a flag or a moon, and can't find food for the starving tummies. Pay no mind to the youths, cause it's not like the future depends on it. We'll save the animals in the zoo, cause the chimpanzee them a make big money. This is how the media villages, on TV the picture is savages and villages, and the scientists still can't explain the pyramids. Evangelists making a living on the videos of ribs of the little kids, stereotyping the image of the images, and this is what the image is. You buy a car, key points, and all of a sudden you are say Indiana Jones. And I take out the gold and take out the scrolls and even the bird bones. Some of the worst paparazzis I've ever seen and I ever known. With the worst on display so the world can see, and that's all that will ever show. So the ones in the west will never move east and feel like it'll be a town. Get tricked by the beast, but the way them a go flee when the monster is fully grown. Solomonic lineage where them still can defeat and them coulda never clown. A spiritual DNA that prints in my soul and I will forever own, Lord.
Yeah. Sabali, that's patience. That's what the old folks told me. Can you get with that? Discovering the world before this world, a world buried in time, uncovered with rhymes. It gets no realer.
We born not knowing, are we born knowing all? We growing wiser, are we just growing tall? Can you read thoughts? Can you read palms? Can you predict the future? Can you see storms coming? The earth was flat, if you went too far you would fall off. Now the earth is round, if the shape change again everybody would have started laugh. The average man can't prove up most of the things that he chooses to speak of, and still run research and find out the root of the truth that you seek of. Scholars teach in universities and claim that they're smart and cunning. Tell them find a cure when we sneeze, and that's when their nose start running. And the rich get stitched up when we get cut. Wanna heal them broken bones in the bush with the wet mud. Can you read science? Can you read stars? Can you make peace? Can you fight war? Can you milk cows even though you drive cars? Can you survive against all odds now?
It's crazy. When you feed people the truth, you don't know how they gonna react. You're scared of wrongdoers, people that's just ignorant and scared of the truth. We patient for now. Who wrote the Bible? Who wrote the Quran? And was it a lightning storm that gave birth to the earth and then dinosaurs were born? Who made up words? Who made up numbers? And what kind of spell is mankind under? Everything on the planet we preserve and can it. Microwave it and try it, no matter what, we'll survive it. What's you? What's man? What's human? Anything along the land we consuming, eating, deleting, ruin. Trying to get paper, gotta have land, gotta have acres. So I can sit back like Jack Nicholson, watch niggas play the game like the Lakers. In a world full of 52 fakers, gypsy seances, mystical prayers. You superstitious, throw salt over your shoulders, make a wish for the day, cuz like somebody got a doll of me, sticking needles in my artery, but I can't feel it. Sometimes it's like part of me, but I got a real big spirit. I'm fearless. Don't you try to grab hold of my soul. It's like a military soldier since 7 years old. I held real dead bodies in my arms, felt their body turn cold. Oh, why we born in the first place if this is how we gotta go? Dang. Goes to all the wisdom and knowledge seekers of the world. Sabali, patience. Yeah, all I do is stay focused, looking straight forward at the world and beyond. I feel people pulling me down. I feel some pulling me up. I can't get stuck. I just keep moving forward. I got places to go, man. Let's go.
When the Yamakitians started trading, a lot of weak heart are weeping more. Only the strong will continue. Do you have it in you? 'Cause we've got a journey to go. And when the battle gets sour and tricky, a lot of weak heart are with the end more. Only the strong will continue. I know you have it in you. I know you have it in you. Hey, the victory is found in truth, like innocence found in youth. Self-defeat is your own dispute, and when you put yourself in your own shoes, it's either you're winning or losing. Don't you get it confused, 'cause you're starring in your own movie, playing out the role you choose. So stand up and fight if you know say you're right, and know you will never fail. Tipping the scale and the wind shall prevail, and the boat shall forever sail. Hey, there ain't no stopping or cruising, even when we're battered and bruised. Outrun all the sprinters and Mount Olympus, my God, tougher than Zeus. Yamakitians started trading. I get up and make it happen. A lot of weak heart are weeping more. I get up and we get it crack. The strong will continue. Do you have it in you? 'Cause we've got a journey to go. And when the battle gets sour and tricky, I get up and I get it going. A lot of weak heart are with the end more. We get up and we keep it going. The strong will continue. I know you have it in you. I know you have
valley of the shadow of death, New York to Cali. For the money, power, respect is a journey. Some will get left behind, cause in life, you cannot press rewind. Get it right, you only have one first chance to make one first impression that lasts a lifetime. Reputation supersedes itself. Do you believe in hell? Babylon, greed for wealth. Do you deceive yourself and let your ego swell and disregard those who most need your help? Thick skin, the dark won't take my soul. Survive spiritual wars, see my wealth in the evil's felt, but the faith is stronger. I saw grown men fall when I was a youngster, but I clenched my fist, ready to go against whoever tied my Timbs and rise in the end.
I get up and make it happen. Get up and we get it crackin'.
Strong will continue. Do you have it in you? Now we've got our journey to go. And when the battle get sour and tricky,
I get up and I get it going.
how we got how we got and more.
We get up and we keep it
The
going.
strong will continue. We know you have it in you. We know you have it in you.
No man live forever, but never say never. Every goodie want better, just be a go-getter and always be clever in every endeavor. God drastic time, God for drastic measure. You better try to pleasure from your navel string sever. The land and the treasure, work for whatever. Just say don't be a beggar, the alpha omega. We bless every soul, no matter which name you prefer. The immortal stepper, we live in every skin, no matter which skull or leather. We never let we don't rock here which kind of weather. You're destined to rise like the son of Rebecca. Don't stop for a second, every man reckon it sure would be good to be there. Whether say an Mecca when the gates are finally closed and the saints go marching in.
I'm a Gideon start get trade.
I get up and make it happen.
How we got how we can more.
I get up and we get it
The
crackin'.
strong will continue. Do you have it in you? Now we got our journey to go. And when the battle get sour and tricky,
I get up and I get it going.
how we got how we got and more.
We get up and we keep it
The
going.
strong will continue. I know you have it in you. I know you have it in you.
I'm a street lifer, always harassed by the sea ciphers. Chief like Geronimo with his peace pipe. I emerge from the street life. This for the homies who relate, know what it be like. My QB life, taking a turn to the Louis the 13th life. Twisted and mangled, sorta like Bruce Lee life. Cursed with his son Brandon. If that's you and me night, I pray our fate's greater. I speak life, I still matter as a rapper, not doubting. Even Tony Braxton's trying to deal with Craig Cowman. Howard, the hell am I supposed to stay comfy when I pay child support alimony monthly? Got Maseratis and Ferraris. Only like a woman who's a rider, but only hoes want me. Single life crazy, niggas wives on me. I say stay faithful, they say they man corny. So I'm stuck with some married women so far, cheating while they husband rushing on the 40-yard line. Wonder if this is what my ex did the whole time. Good niggas seem to always end up with some hard times. Hope not, if a pimp slipping in the whole plot. Ain't nothing to a G in a two-tone drop, kid, and it don't stop. See a nigga disappearing with the baddest honeys in the whole spot, yeah.
As we keep it moving, Prophecy Volume 2. Big shout to LES, Gov, Haas, Trey Williams. Y'all know what it is. Static.
Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them dimes at? Where them dimes at? Where them dimes at? Where them
A slow dance with the devil, snow setting in the bezel. Most sipping phantom, bumping Aaron Neville. Polo blacks in it, eyes squinted. Air Force Ones with my own patent in it. Crescent in the star, glowing up in the galaxy. Pagan holidays, away far from my reality. Fought through with Visu jeans, lethal green. Oliver people shades when I creep through Queens with no AKs. I'm the ambassador, Robin Hood in the Aston Mall. Lot of blood gon' splash in war. Task force, homicide, federales gon' harass, but y'all ain't never seen nothing. Not a word, not a hint on a kid from the project bench that went Sony BMG to that new conglomerate. Allen Def Jam, guess how many dollars was spent to get the best man? Y'all niggas ain't silencing shit. Your bitch Ben wanna polish a dick. The big Benz, I'ma model your chick with Zach posing. Cash frozer, cat stroker. Once I smash it's over. Cold like ice, more chains than slaves, dangerous ways. Poltergeist, change your channel. Roll the dice, I bring change when I gamble. I could sell sand to an Arab, hide in my gun handle.
Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes 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 at?
The ill wit pusher, my spit wet you if you stand close to the woofer. Bet you get sprayed by my lecture. Any club where ladies are dimes, I'm a regular. Give it up smooth, I ain't begging. You're intelligent brainiac, brains maniac. Back of the Maybach, taste that, don't waste that. Eat with my elbows, top of the table. Street etiquette with speech impediments and still see presidents, no matter who paid. Cause you ain't take the last dollar made. Long as they keep printing it, there's chances of getting it. Money's my bitch, and we stay intimate. Ask about Nation, could ask about Jung. Ask about Bravehearts, and ask where I'm from. Cute Borough, specifically the bridge. Don't ask no more questions, y'all know what it is.
Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at?
Whether chrome sparking, a loan sharking, busting ratchets or numbers rackets or drug traffic, my funds are wrapped up. No concerns who has what. Financer, skull do wrapped up. Mob life, prize fights, plasma TVs, a first row, diversified dough in my circle. Amid the most sickest, groomed to prove swiftness. Numero uno, inuit sueptus. That's the language of our Latin ancestors. On the back of $1, the plan and the message. In a Rolls Royce like the king of Nigeria. My criteria, smoke cigars, change rap like Jimi Hendrix. Change rock and roll with a broke guitar. Diamonds flashing, almost put $1 million cash in my mommy casket. Seymour Green is St. Patrick.
Sit back, relax, catch a contact, sip your cognac and let's all wash this money through this laundromat. Sneak attack, a new cast and rap worth top dollar. In fact, touch mines and I'll react like a rock waller. Who could relate? We play for high stakes at gunpoint, catch 'em and break. Undress some time with tape, no escape. The Coleon, Fettuccine, Capone, roam in your own zone or get kidnapped and clapped in your dome. We got it sewn. The firm are the wars unknown. Lower your tone, face it. Homicide cases get thrown. Aristocrats, politic and deli with diplomats. To me, I'm an official Mac Lex Coupe.
Criminal thoughts in the reports. My destiny's to be the Newport. A nigga poorly gotta die too sore. A nigga's dead on. I Kia Heron. They found his head on the couch with his dick in his mouth. I put the hit out. Yo, the smoothest killer since Bugsy. Bitches love me. In Queens where my drugs be. I wear Guess jeans and rugbies. Yo, my people from Medina, they will see you when you re-up, bring your heater or your queen goes between us. Real shit. My Desert Eagle got an ill grip. I chill with niggas that hit Dominican spots and still bricks. My red beam made a dread scream and sprayed a Fed team. Corleone be turning niggas to fiends. Yukons and Ninja Black Lexus. Mega the pretty boy with mafia connections. It's the firm nigga said it.
Yo, my mind is seeing through your design like blind fury. I shine cherry sipping on crushed grapes. We lust papes and push cakes inside the casket at Just Wait. It's sickening. He just finished bidding upstate and now the project is talking that somebody gotta die shit. It's logic as long as it's nobody that's in my clique. My man Smoke knew how to expand coke and Mr. Coffee. Feds cost me $2 mil to get the system off me. Life's a bitch, but God forbid the bitch divorce me. I'll be flooded with ice or hellfire can't scorch me. Cuban cigars, meeting Foxy at the Mars, moving cars. Your top poppy, Senior Escobar.
In the black Camaro, firm deep, all my niggas hail the blackest sparrow. While the bees beat the apparel through the darkest tunnel. I got visions of multi-millions in the biggest bundle. In the Lex, pushed by my nigga Jungle. E-money bags, got my West Sean Dawn bundle of 62. They ain't got a clue what we about to do. My whole team, we shitting hard like Czar. Soulside, Foxy Brown, Cormega and Escobar. I keep a fat Marquise piece, laced in all the illest snakeskin. Armani sweaters, Carolina Herrera. Be the firm, baby, from BK to the bridge. My nigga Wiz, Operation Firm Biz. So what the deal is, I keep a fat Jewel, sipping Christie, sitting on top of 50 grand in the Nautica van. We stay incognito like all them thug niggas in Marcy. The guard, they praise Allah with visions of Gandhi. Bet it on, my whole crew is Don Juan. On Cayman Island with a case of Cristal and Baba Shala spoke. Nigga with them Cubans that snort coke. Raw though, an ounce mixed with leak that's pure though. Flipping the bigger picture, the bigger nigga with the cheddar was mad jipper. He had a fucking villa in Manila. We got the fleet of Panama. But wait, it's half and half. Keys is 1 2/5 on how we flip. 32 grams raw, chopping in half, get 16. Double it times 3. We got 48, which mean a whole lot of cream. Divide the profit by 4, subtract it by 8. We back to 16. Now add the other 2 that Mega bringing through. So let's see if we flip this other key, then that's more for me. Mad Coke and Mad Leak plus a 500. Cut in half is 250. Now triple that times 3. We got 3/4 of another key. The Firm, baby, Volume 1.
killers a walk like Pistol Pete and Pappy Mason. Gave the young boys admiration. Prince from Queens and Fritz from Harlem, street legends. The drugs kept the hood from starving. Pushing cars, Nicky Bars was the 70s, but there's a long list of high-profile celebrities worldwide on the thorough side of things. Live as kings, some died. One guy, one time, one day grasped me as I'm about to blast heat. 40 side of Vernon. I turned well, he asked me, "What you up to? The cops gon' bust you." I was a teen drunk off brew. Stumbled, I wondered if God sent him, cause 2 squad cars entered the block and looked at us. I ain't flinched when they watched. I took it upstairs, the bathroom mirror, brushed my hair staring at a young disciple. I almost gave my life to what the dice do. Yeah, man, throwing them bones. Hoping my ace get his case thrown. His girl ain't wait for him. She in the world straight hoeing. Why he looking at centerfolds? The pretty girls showing they little cooch. Gangsters don't die, he's living proof. The DA who tried him was lying. The white dude killed his mother during the case. Hung jury, now the DA is being replaced. Pre-trial hearing is over, it's real for the soldier. Walks in the courtroom, the look in his eyes is wild. Triple homicide, I sit in the back aisle. I wanna crack a smile when I see him. Throw up a fist for black power, cause all we want is his freedom. He grabbed a court officer's gun and started squeezing. Then he grabbed the judge, screams out, "Nobody leaving, everybody
get down, get down, get down, get down, get
everybody.
Get down, get down, get down, get down,
Some niggas fuck their enemies in they ass when they catch them. Weird ass niggas who dangerous, so don't test them. They make you disappear. This a year that I won't forget. Sold CDs, double platinum, met more execs. Southern niggas, independent label, real killers. Know the business, ran Tennessee for years, now they chillin'. They had the coke game, something crazy. Sold music out the trunk of their car, that shit amazed me. Put me on the heroin blunts, Sherm or something. Took a puff, what the fuck, I turned and punched them. Southern niggas ain't slow, nigga tried to play me. I left from around them dudes, they cool but they crazy. Now I'm back around the old school that raised me. New York gangsters, we lounging out in LA. See, a dude wrote my dog from Pelican Bay. The letter say, Nas, I got your back, the fools don't play. I rode with some Crips down to a Crenshaw funeral. Never saw so many men slaughtered and I knew the whole responsible. The nigga's still alive in the hospital. Midnight they crept in his room and shot the doctor too. See, my cousins in the gang thugging and things. He plugged me with a dame who was half Mexicano. Gave the ass up, I'm a Mac Daddy soprano. She passed me the indigo, but the imbecile should've never tippy-toed. Thought my eyes were closed, opening the hotel room door. The little goons in, but I moved in the manner. On some Jet Li shit, I let the hammers blow, wet 3 kids. See, honey thought I had something to do with all the drama, cause I was with a crew that had a people killed. Called up my cousin, told him I ain't fucking with you. He responded cool, but told me out here, this how motherfuckers
get down, get down.
Everybody.
Get down, get down, get down, get down.
All I really gotta say is that if that's how our people gonna get down, how we ever gonna get up? How we ever gonna get up if that's how we get down? Shame when you really look at it. My folks and your folks. We all are same folks.
Take you everywhere, then well, you wouldn't know how to walk. If I spoke on your behalf, then well, you wouldn't know how to talk. If I gave you everything, and everything is what I bought, I can take it all back, I never care about what you thought. I didn't mean to make you mad, I don't like when you upset.
Spin a block on 12 horses, buy the block and get a boss bitch. Chrome man, but when the Henny hit, I might Millie rock to get a forfeit. In the new days with my old ways, game changed but the name don't. My horse shades is they main hoes. Got a lot of them, my whole stable, I don't lie to them, it's no fables. Rap Don country flavor. Now we worldwide, we made a big brand, now our catalog is so major. Rodeo or Rodale, portfolio is so player. Tomato or tomato, Nas X or Big Nas, this shit rise. Nas and Nas X. Yeah. Big Nas and Little Nas.
There's no turning back now. This is what makes me. This is what I am.
You can hate me now,
QB,
but I won't stop now, cause I can't stop now.
Brave Hearts.
You can hate me now,
Come on.
but I won't stop now, cause I can't stop now. You can hate me now, you can hate me now.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Don't hate me. Hate the money I see, clothes that I buy, ice that I wear, flows that I try. Close your eyes, picture me rolling, sixes, money folding, chickens, honeys that swollen, the richest. Nas get in ya, most critically acclaimed Pulitzer Prize winner, best storyteller, thug narrator, my style's greater, model data, big threat to a lot of you haters. Commentators ringside try watching my paper, almost a decade, quite impressive. Most of the best is in the essence for this rap stuff that I stand for, expanding more to the big screen. Bill Gates dreams, but it seems you'd rather see me in jail with state dreams. Want me off the scene fast, but good things last. Like your favorite MC, still making some mean cast. First rapper to bring a platinum plaque back to the projects, but you still wanna hate? Be my guest, I suggest.
Money is power. I got millions of dollars on salary.
Do it now.
You can hate me now,
I won't stop.
but I won't stop now,
Can't stop.
cause I can't stop now.
You can hate me.
You can hate me now,
Do
I
it
hate
now.
you too.
but I won't stop now,
Come on.
cause I can't stop now.
Come on.
You can hate me now,
You can hate me
Do
now.
it now.
you can hate me now.
Do it now. I told you, do it now.
Let's go.
You wanna hate me, then hate me. What can I do but keep getting money? Funny, I was just like you. I had to hustle hard, never give up until I made it. Now y'all saying that's a clever. Nothing to play with, hate on me. I blew, but I'm the same OG. People warn me, when you on top, there's envy. Took my people out the hood, but you doubt on us. Saying we left the hood, but can't get it out of us. My bad, should I step on my shoes, give them to you? Here's my cars in my house, you can live in that too. Criticize when I flow for the street. Hate my dress code, Gucci this, Fendi that. What you expect, yo? Nickname Esco. Took this game to its threshold. Best flow, I bet the whole US know. Try to make it like you the realest, but who the illest? Think we all know the answer to that. Cause feel us, right?
You think I'ma come this far and let you stop me now? I ain't
Do it now.
You can hate me now,
I won't stop.
but I won't stop now,
Now.
cause I can't stop now.
Do it
You can
now.
hate me.
You can hate me now,
I hate you too.
but I won't stop now,
You can hate me now.
cause I can't stop now. You can hate me now,
You can hate me
Do it now.
you can hate me now.
Do it now.
I like this. I like the way this feels. Let's go.
It's a thin line between paper and hate. Friends and snakes, growing old or early grades. Hell or the pearly gates. I was destined to come, predicted. Blame God, he blew breath in my lungs. Second to none, wicked turned wives to widows. Through satin pillows, the desolate one. Took a little time to claim my spot. Chairman of the board until this game stopped. And I side with the Lord. Ride for the cause while driving out my doors. Plotting, I'm sure they catch me with they to my jaws. Tried sticking me up, but I flipped on these ducks. Instead of me, ambulances were picking them up. People fear what they don't understand, hate what they can't conquer. Guess it's just the fury of man became a monster on top of the world. Never falling, I'm as real as they come. From day one, forever balling. Come on. It won't stop. It won't stop. Never.
You can hate me now,
Come on.
but I won't stop now, cause I can't stop now.
Now, do it now.
You can hate me now,
Now,
I hate you too.
but I won't stop now,
Come on.
You can hate me now.
cause I can't stop now.
Take me now.
You can hate me now,
You can hate me now.
you can hate me now,
You can hate me now.
you
can hate me now.
Come on, people.
But I won't stop now.
Come on. It ain't gonna never stop, y'all.
Nothing gonna stop me now. Nothing, baby. I'm here now. We here. It's your world. Yeah. Yo, all I need is one mic, one beat, one stage, one person front, my face on the front page. Only if I had one love, one girl and one crib, one God to show me how to do things his son did. Pure, like a cup of virgin blood, mixed with 151. One sip would probably make me flip. See my name in the hieroglyphs, like Osiris and Isis. Parables written inside papyruses, acknowledge it. We've been all tricked, time to come out of it. Seeds watch us grow up and try to follow us. Police watch us roll up and try knocking us. One knee I duck, could it be my time is up? With my luck I got up, the cop again. Bus stop glass bursts, a fiend drops his Heineken. Ricocheting between the spots that I'm hiding in. Blacking out as I duck back, forget getting hit. This is my hood, I'm a rap to the death of it. To everybody come on, little brothers is grown. Hood rats, don't abortion your wound. We need more warriors soon. Sent from the stars, sun and the moon. And it's like a police chasing street sweepers and coppers. Stick up kids with no conscience, leaving victims with doctors. If you really think you ready to fly with my power, this is what Nas is about, brothers. The time is now. All I need is one mic. All I need is one mic. That's all I need. All I need is one mic. All I need is one mic. Yeah. All I need is one cup, one page, and one pen, one prayer. Tell God, forgive me for one sin. Matter of fact, maybe more than one. Look back at all the hatred against me. Touch all of them. Jesus died at age 33. That's 33 between 16 apiece. That's 32, which means one of my duns was holding 17. 27 hit your crew, 6 went into you. Everybody gotta die sometime. Hope your funeral never get caught up. Pain to go through the innocent. Nothing is fair. Brothers roll up from wheelchairs. My heart is racing, tasting revenge in the air. I let this all slide for too many years, too many times. Now I'm strapped with a couple of too many. If y'all people really with me, get busy, load up the do more than just hold it, explode the until you empty. There's nothing in our way. They bust, we bust. They rush, we rust. Flying, feel it, I feel it in my gut that we take these dudes to war. Lie them down, cause we stronger now. My peoples, the time is now. All I need is one mic. That's all I need. That's all I need. All I need is one mic. There's nothing else in the world. All I need is one mic. That's all a nigga need to do his thing, you know. All I need is one mic. All I need is one life, one try, one breath, I'm one man. What I stand for speaks for itself. They don't understand and wanna see me on top. Too egotistical, talking all that slick stuff, but my name is biblical. Wonder what my secrets is. Enemies move on you only if they know what your weaknesses. I have none. Too late, I'm mad, young, I'm laughing, cause I'm a cool brother. Thought I wouldn't have that as done. Food you brothers, what you call an infinite brawl, eternal souls clashing. War gets deep, some beef is everlasting, complete with thick scars. Brothers knifing each other up in prison yards. Drama, where does it start? You know the block was ill as a youngster. Every night it was like a well, we killed, body found in the dumpster. For real, a hustler, purchased my range. People throwing dirt on my name. Jealous cause fiends got they work and complain. Women left me cause they thought I was finished. Shoulda knew she wasn't true. She came to me when a man caught a sentence. Diamonds are blinded. I never make the same mistakes. Moving with a change of pace, lighter load. See now the king is straight. Swelling my melon cause none of these brothers real. Heard they were telling police how can a kingpin squeal. This is crazy, I'm on the right track. I'm finally found. You need some soul searching. The time is now. All I need is one mic. All I need is one mic. That's all I ever needed in this world. Cash. All I need is one mic. Cars, the jewelry. All I need is one mic. Spread my voice to the whole world.